following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy STINO back in the motherfuckers. About to go to this little Mexico night in Baltimore. See how it was popping. Y'all see the video of the sun. She already warm. She's already warm, so I don't want to hear y'all talking about don't get in the car. Y'all see the tech. Don't get in the car and pull off. Shut the fuck up. Suck my dick. You know what I mean? I do need some gas though, so I'm gonna go grab some gas. It's out Wabash. I think they just chilling out there. A little Mexico night for real, so see if they racing. I might race. I'm ready to put like a dub in here. You know what I mean? About to go to a little Baltimore Mexico night. See what's popping. I don't know if they racing. We gonna see what's going on. Right now, I see that big 93 octane right there. That's Sersky. On the way to the meet. That bumper really sound too good. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I mean? Sound too good. Damn. I like the low speeds anyway, but we gonna see what's going on over there. It's about 15-20 from my crib for real. Come on, pull up, see what's going on. See if they racing. See if they doing anything. Woo. Sound good. Being cautious. Slow ass V6 Challenger, boy, you better get that shit out of here. That's easy hawk saw, shorty. You know what I mean? Yes, sir, Rocco. My fault, Rocco. I ain't mean to take. That's probably the first time he went 130 for real. My fault, Rocco. I'm sorry, buddy. That's not safe. But the buddy tried me, and it didn't work. Pulling up right now to the meet. I don't really care about that light. There's about 30 cars out there. It's looking sweet for real. They put my lights on that mode. See how it's looking. But my guy out with that scatty yet. I'm looking for that red scatty. Yeah, right there. I see him. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, with that red scatty. Yeah, damn, that bitch is hard. Okay. Good, my guy.
They got that fucking phone.
You know I got to, right? This bitch hard, bro. I like this. That's hard. Hey, you got the rims in the back too? Huh? The rims in the back? Sheesh. Yeah, I just seen that. Yeah, Hellcat hood and all that. That's hard. How much you pay for this? Huh? For the hood? Oh. SRT. Little snorkels. What year is it? 19? Yeah. 19, okay. Okay. See the scatty. My man's Hakeem right here. The Hellcat hood. Ooh. playing no games. He ain't playing no game. He just got it not too long ago. It's clean for real.
Would be the Hellcat that was last on YouTube.
I see, shorty. We about to race now. Everybody about to get racing, man. Alright, niggas about to race and shit. Not me, I ain't racing. I might. Okay, I got the Pornhub on that thing. I like that. Okay. It's about to get good. It's a strip right here. Y'all see G-Ski right here. Looking scrumptious. With the scatties. Alright, y'all. Someone asked me to race, so let's see what happens. This Audi right here, Audi A4. Right here, about to see what's about to happen. I got you. Okay. Okay, Audi. I think it's an S4. I said A4. Okay, with the big body wheels. It's an Audi S4 right here. It's a motherfucking S4. Y'all see it. On you. Okay, that motherfucker, my shit been shaking for real. That motherfucker was moving though. I see it. Probably how it's looking. Little Mexico night. Oh, I hear the pops. So they sound like gunshots. Out here with the Scat Boys. Out here with the Scat Boys, man. There we go. Endless races. Endless races. Y'all see that G sitting right there. Let's get live. Let's get live. That's Scat moving on. Okay. That's okay. Alright, now. Yes, sir. find out.
Been low key going up.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Cause I really need to get on the YouTube.
You need to, especially with this bitch.
You know, the videos is hard to make, yo.